So welcome back to my channel. So my name is Joshua. Like you know, I always make videos on how you can make money online and every opportunity that I have that is paying. So today I'm going to show you one of the best trading strategy that successful traders have hidden from many of us, and that has made a lot of people to lose money in the market. You know, trading very risky, and some of our we have traded a lot, and we lost a lot. But congratulations if you are seeing this video, because this is one of the simplest and easiest strategy you can use right now and start making money from the whether crypto or forex market. Anything that have candle, it is very simple for you. So I wanted to smash the subscription button if you have not done so, and then let's go. So in this video, um if you are looking at my dashboard, you can see that you can see my you can see if you're looking at my screen, you can see there is sell, there is buy. So the strategy here, the indicator we are using here right here, shows you when to buy, when to sell, when to buy, and when to sell. And look at this, is a sell. Now when it gives you sell signal here, it gives you a sell signal. Let me check how many pips that was a sell. So let's check how many pips this is. So you can see all the way down, and that is over 200 pips. That's over 200 pips drop there. Now let's go back. I want us to just go back, and this is another buy. This it should be more than 50 pips. This is a sell. Also this should be like 30 pips. So anytime this system gives you a trigger, a buy or a sell, and you take a trade, you can never lose. Look at, there was a so there are two colors here. You have the green. The green shows you that the trend is an uptrend, and then the red shows you a downtrend. So guys, you can go this you can back test like what we are doing now. We are going back. Look at this here, massive sell up to this place. You can know how many pips you must have collected from there. Look at this. So now I'm going to show you how this strategy works, right? I'm going to show you how this strategy works. So now what do you need to do? First of all, you will need to stay on 1 hour time frame, right? Don't go anything lower than 1 hour time frame, because if you go on lower time frames, you will see a lot of signals, and some of them may not stay, right? You may see a lot of signals. Like if we look at this place now, a green candle started rising from here, but the system did not trigger a buy. It only trigger a buy when it is very sure that the trade is going to stay. So if you go on a lower time frame, there's a possibility that you may end up entering trades that are not very reliable. And then another thing is that you need to be very patient if you're going to make money using this strategy, right? So the first thing you're going to do if you want to use this strategy is that you are going to map out the zones. Put your system on 1 hour time frame, and then map the major zones. So I can see this is a zone. This is a lower low here. This is a zone here, and this is another zone. You can see that I'll map mine. This is another zone. Another zone is about to be created here, but I'm not looking at that right now. So this is another zone here. You can see another zone here. Right? You can see another zone there. Alright, so guys, now you have done the first thing, which is to set up your zones. You have set up all your zones. Now you will take a signal when the signal falls within the zone. And if you look at it, most of the times it gives you the signal that falls within the zone. Look at here, you can see a zone here. There's a small zone here. There is still a zone. I believe I'm not talking to just people who are just starting trades. Even though you are just starting trade, you can still understand what I mean. What I mean by zone is that at the point where there is a reversal, that is a zone. So this is a zone. When the trade came here, it reversed to the upside, so that's a zone. It came here, reversed to the downside, that is a zone. So that's what I mean by zones. So you first of all map up all your zones. You map up all your zones, right? You map up all your zones. First, you put your system on 1 hour time frame, right? Put it on 1 hour time frame. The pair I'm using here is Euro USD. Put it on 1 hour time frame. Don't go anything lower than that. Then map up all your zones. Why do you need to map up your zones? Because your zones will show you in trading. You enter trades and on zones, right? You enter on zones. You enter where there is a zone. You don't just enter it to like this is a trade. You will not want to take a trade anything here, right? You're not going to take any trade from here. You take a trade at zones. So the next thing, after you have map up your zones, you're going to now wait for the system to trigger a sell for you. Now once it's trigger a sell for you, enter for a sell. If you trigger a buy, enter for a buy. Don't be afraid. This strategy is 90% successful. I cannot say 100%, but 90%. If you follow it, you're going to make. Look at this trend here. Look at this. So look at this, and all the way to the upside. How many pips is that? 130 pips. That's 130 pips. Then you're going to give a stop loss of maybe 10 pips. Stop loss 10 pips around that side, and you are fine. Then allow the trade to play, right? Allow the trade to play. Allow the trade to play. If you are enjoying this video so far, I want you to like the video, comment, and then let more people get to see it. So this strategy, you can use it both on crypto, you can use it on Forex, and all of that. So yes. So now the next thing is that wait for this to show you when to enter. Now how do you get these indicators? Now first of all, you are going to be using trading view. We're using trading view for this. This strategy, actually I'm supposed to be selling it. I'm supposed to be selling this strategy, but because I really want people to, a lot of people have lost money in the market like me, I've done. I want them to be able to get this. So if I'm doing all of these things for free, it's not be too much if I ask you to subscribe to this channel and also like and comment on this video. I think it's not going to be much, because this strategy I'm supposed to be giving with nothing less than $100, right? Honestly speaking, it's even worth more than that. It's worth more than that. So but I'm giving it for free. So now it's very simple. You're going to need a trading view. You can go to tradingview.com. So once you are on trading view, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to add your indicator. So come on to indicator here. So you come to indicator. So the first indicator you're going to add, look for linear regression candle. This one right here, linear regression candle. That's the first indicator. So it's already here, so I'm going to open it from here. So when you add linear regression candle, under signal smoothing put 7, and then make sure that all of this in that tick. Under linear regression length put 11, and then go on to style. You can see that we have, these are the colors. If you want to change the color, fine, but I'm just fine with this. This is an uptrend and downtrend candles, and then when you do that, you click on OK. So the next indicator you're going to add is UT bot. Go go back to indicators and type UT boat, UT boat, UT boat, quant Norman alert. So this indicator here, you click on it to add to your chart. So you have already added to the chart, so I'm going to open here to show you the settings. So let's start with settings. Input, under key value, put 2, ATR period, put 1. Go on to styles, and under style, buy, leave it at green, sell, leave it at red, right? Just like this, guys. So you are fine. Don't bother about visibility. It's already visible. Make sure that these boxes here are ticked properly. Let's check on this. Signals from signal from HK. No, don't tick that. Make sure that you put 2, and here is 1. Key value is 2, ATR period is 1. And when you have done that, click on OK. So guys, if you have done this successfully, your chart will be looking like this. And then you are having this line. This is your regression line, which is showing you the movement, the trend, which is showing you the trend of the market, right? Whenever it's going down, shows that the market is going down, so it followed the trend. So if you have done that successfully, this is how your chart will be looking, guys. So in this time, move your time frame to 1 hour and wait for the system to give you, to trigger an alert for you. Like I said, no strategy is 100%, but I can assure you that this strategy is 90%. So make sure you enter trade only when there is a signal. Here is enter sell, and wait whenever it gives you another signal. Like for example, this is a sell, and then you come to this point. If I were you, the reason why we map these zones, when you get to this zone here, you must have gotten your enough profits, and then you can hope up to the market and wait for the next signal, right? Another thing I forgot to tell you, another reason why you map the zones is that when you map the zones, those zones you are map will be your checkpoint. What do I mean by checkpoint? Like for example, this is a zone. From here to here, you are expecting that this is a checkpoint, and this is about 50 pips. So if you are okay with that, you can move your stop loss to that place so they can secure your profit and wait to see if the trade is still going to go in your favor, right? So if you have done that, you are good to go. And guys, this strategy is 90% successful, like I told you. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel. Use this strategy on your crypto market, use it on forex market, and you can come back and give me a testimony. Share this video massively, so that other fellows who are struggling in the trading market can also enjoy this kind of content. And then I see you in my next video. My name is Josh, and if you love this content, make sure you stay glued to this channel so that we can grow together. Guys, I love you, and I want to see you in my next video. Peace out.